Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Best Car Fixes. Today we have a car here. It's a 2003, 4, actually for up to 2005, 6, X5, X3, the same cars, BMWs. The problem is here that sometimes we have intermittent problems with the window, power window go up and go down. And when you have this problem, please try to fix it as soon as possible. If you look outside now, the snow, New York City today, this is the second snow storm. Look here on Sunday. Imagine you are driving and suddenly the window is not coming up for you. And you push the switch, it doesn't work. You put a plastic back, vision, safety, how you drive. We have this problem here today in this car. And we push the button, we push all the button here, it's full of water. Also, one of my advice, if you have a car with the buttons here, this piece is like a cell phone. So do not, when you wash the car or you need to spray to clean, try to avoid anything like water or a drop of any liquid inside, because it is a cell phone, it is a computer sending signal through 4 wires to activate all power windows, left, right, front and back. So now we have this problem, we push the button, nothing is working. We need to put this window up. You have two choices. If you are just the owner of the car, you can open it and go to the motor where the motor is, and then you're gonna activate, get power and ground, activate that motor to go up and down. If you are a mechanic and you have a tools, it can use it as bi-directional. You can command it from there and go up and down. So now we have this car here, we need to go back home. I'm going to show you how you can put this window up if you have a good scanner for technician there. I'm using Maxi MI6, maybe other Snap-on, other tools, BMW tools. You can use any aftermarket tools that have the capability of doing this work. I'm going to put my sister back home today with her car and the window up. So let's go and show you how we're going to do it. Let me go here. I'm going to use that one myself. So we're going to come here, connect it to the OBD2. You're going to click, leave the car running so you don't need to drop the battery level down or discharge the battery. You go to BMW, accept, and then from here you're going to read the VIN number, automatic selection, so you don't have to get a mistake on choosing a wrong car. So we're going to read the VIN number. As soon as the machine recognizes the VIN number, then it will give you 3 options: engine, body, or chassis. These windows are inside the body service. So this is the VIN number. I will say OK. It will decode it. Chassis series is XE83, model X3, 3.0 liter M45 engine, US edition, 2004. Actually, from 2004 all the way to 2009, you can get the same service. I will say OK. Next, we're going to wait a little bit. It will connect us to modules. Any problems with keys? If you have a key, one key on those cars, make a spare key. Headache if you don't have no spare key. Okay, now I gotta go to diagnose, control unit. On the control unit, go to body. On the body, scroll down to GM base module. GM, that means general module, which you control windows, door locks, headlights, and a lot of stuff. I'm not sure about the headlight. Now we don't need to read the code, but let's see if there is any code. If there is a code also, it will tell you what's going on. You see, you have a lot of code. You say The general motor bus switch block, no response. That switch that we have it here, where is that switch? I disconnect it because I don't have no command, and it could be no good too. You see, all white. So we have front passenger mirror heater. It control all this inside. A lot of codes, you see. That's not my concern now. I will go back. I will go to active test. Here I will go to power window. Power window. You're gonna choose one thing. You see here the door is open. The window is down and the door is open. So I'm gonna go to front passenger window, open it. No, front driver side window, close. I will click on it, and then what I'm gonna do, you have activation for 2 seconds. It will be on for activation for 2 seconds. So now you're gonna see here that the door there. Hold like this for me. Okay, you see you see the window there, and I'm gonna go here. I will push on activation. Activate, okay, and activate it. You see now the window go up. Beautiful. It closed completely? No, because it's activated for 2 seconds. So I'm gonna activate it again one more. Yes, it closed. 2 seconds and everything is good. Now I'm gonna escape. No, we're done. I'm gonna escape from here. I'm gonna disconnect this module. I'm gonna leave it disconnected because it may send signal wrong, and then the window can come down again, and we're good to go. First, you need to get a window switch. You can get one from eBay. Google and eBay, you can get it. It could be cheap. If not, you can ask the dealer, compare the prices from the dealer, brand new, how much cost, and one from eBay, how much cost. Compare the prices. If the price, there is no big difference, if they say, oh, 300, 200, no, buy the eBay one. If they say, no, it's just like difference is $40, $50, put a new one. You can put it yourself. Okay. If any reason it doesn't work, then we can say, oh, maybe something else, and then we go down. But the way I see it here, like, it's freeze also. And it may work, I'm not sure. Okay. Now, I'm going to say conclusion. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please, if you see my channel, subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question for your car, what you want to do, I have a problem checking the light on, please let me know. If I can help, I will do. Thank you very much.
You won't regret it. I've been struggling with this car for a couple of months now, and he's the only one who can fix it. Thank you, Mohammed.
No problem.